Hello mga kalula, we will make sambusa roll. Ay, no. A shawarma roll. We will tie with this spring onions. We will cut from this and then we will tie like this. I make it how many pieces is this one? I forget, so I will make from the last one. This one, the tortilla, you will cut it round by using of the big cup like this. You will cut like this round. Then cook it in the pan like this, so that it will be cooked, the tortilla, because when we tie this shawarma, we cannot cook it, we cannot hit it from the fire, because the spring onions will not good. So we will make this one. We will get from here. Then the sauce for the shawarma. Then the chicken breast for the shawarma. Then put pickles. Pickles. Kinamay mo. Yan, pickles, and then put a little sauce over, then close it like this. Then tie. This spring onions. Big way. Ay, naputol. Dito na maganda. What's that? Tie it like this. Napuputol yung ano. Difficult this to make because my hands is big. My finger is big. Ayan. Like this. Like this. Shawarma. Ilan pa daw yung nagagawin ko, sabi ni Dodge? one more. Then the chicken. This is breast of chicken. I have also in the video in YouTube. Then put the sabi tidak nakaukaw daw ng sauce. Then put a little sauce. Then thyme. Like this. Yan. Very good this one. See? Then cut the edge. If they are very long. Yan. It's okay. Now. Like that. That's all. And then when you prepare it on the plate, you will put beside of this what's this sauce, the yogurt, tahina, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and this one is yogurt with a little mayonnaise. I didn't put this baqdonis because maybe they don't like the girls, the visitor, so I like this. Then spread with sumac. That's all. Thank you for watching.